Prophylaxis teeth cleaning. Regularly scheduled teeth cleanings are crucial in keeping your teeth and gums healthy. What is prophylaxis teeth cleaning? Prophylaxis teeth cleaning is a preventive dental procedure to remove plaque, tartar, and stains from the teeth and gums. This procedure is typically performed by a dental hygienist or a dentist in a dental office. Is prophylaxis the same as teeth cleaning? Yes, prophylaxis is a dental term for regular teeth cleaning and involves the removal of plaque and tartar. What is done during a dental prophylaxis session? A dental prophylaxis session usually involves several steps to ensure thorough cleaning of your teeth and gums. During a teeth cleaning appointment, you can expect the following procedures. Examination to identify oral health issues and determine the appropriate treatment plan. Plaque and tartar removal on areas that are hard to reach during regular brushing and flossing. Teeth polishing to remove surface stains and leaves your teeth looking clean and shiny. Flossing and rinsing to remove any residual polishing paste or debris. Your Tempe dentist may also recommend specific dental products tailored to your needs. Remember to consult your dentist regularly to determine the appropriate type and frequency of teeth cleanings, based on your unique oral health needs. Noble Dental Care has been practicing award-winning dentistry in Tempe for over 30 years. We'd love to add you to our roster of happy patients.